Hey, I'm Jason Hayes with the SEYI Presses Service Department. Today we want to talk about the air counterbalance system of the presses. That usually consists of 1, 2, sometimes more large pneumatic cylinders that are constantly pulling up on the slide or the ram to counteract the upper die weight of the tool that's been installed in the press. So what is common practice with the air counterbalance system is to adjust it when the new tool or new die is installed. But it also needs to be checked throughout the day or throughout the shift while that is running, because the air compressor, the load on the air compressor can change, the temperature outside can change, things like that. So it really needs to be checked a couple of times per shift to make sure that we're maintaining the setting that we need. So now, after that overview of the air counterbalance system, we're going to go over here to the press and adjust one. So the first thing we're going to do after loading the new tool is we're going to come over here and look at our chart on the side of the press, and we're going to take our upper tool weight and convert it to an air pressure number, a number in PSI that I'm going to set my counterbalance air pressure system to. So for this scenario, we're going to say our upper tool weight is 3,500 pounds. So I'm going to look on my chart, 3,500 pounds, and I'm going to see what number in PSI that would equate to. Looks like it's going to be about 67. So currently my air pressure is at about 75 PSI. So I'm going to have to release some of the air in this large counterbalance system in order to achieve that 67 PSI. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to adjust the regulator knob. That's this bottom black knob. I'm going to turn it counterclockwise to make the operating pressure of my system lower. After doing that, because I'm going to a lower number, I have to release some of this air. So this is a release valve. So now that I've released some of the air, I'm at a lower air pressure setting, about 65 PSI right now. So after adjusting your air counterbalance system for the first time, you really need to make a stroke of the press and see how the air pressure behaves. It may take a second, third, fourth adjustment to get this right. So that's it. That's the adjustment of our air counterbalance system. If you have any questions in the future, need any help with adjusting your system, don't hesitate to contact SEYI Service Department.